Real estate activity in San Diego County is on the rise across the board. Hang out with me till the end and I will explain what's going on. Today is May 23rd, 2024, and this is San Diego Market Watch. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss another one of these updates. Let's jump right into it. The number of homes for sale has increased again, as have new listings and pending sales and closed sales. That's what I mean when I say activity is on the rise across the board. Now, the number of listings is approaching the 4,000 mark, which is interesting because just a few weeks ago, we had been flirting with 3,000 for quite a while, and now here we are, near 4,000 units on the market. Is that going to be enough to shift things in the buyer's direction? Not if pending sales keep pace. I mean, there is a separation here that has developed over the last 7 days or so. However, if you look back at the chart, pending sales and new listings have been doing this dance for months, and there seem to be plenty of buyers out in the marketplace despite higher interest rates or high interest rates. I shouldn't say they're higher because they aren't. They're down over the last 7 days. We have gone below 7% for the first time in several weeks, which is great news for buyers. It's still high and prices are high, so this is not great news for buyers. However, if you're a buyer in the San Diego marketplace, your purchasing power has definitely increased from here to here. However, the median price increases are eating away at that purchasing power. So it's a challenging situation. If we see enough new inventory and pending sales remain where they are and don't pick up and catch up, eventually we'll create enough separation where supply and demand will get out of balance. However, it's not going to happen in the next few weeks. And that's really all I'm ever doing here, is telling you what's going on right now and what I see happening in the next 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. Not making any bold predictions about the real estate market, for the next year or anything like that. A lot of people do that, and sometimes they're right and sometimes they're wrong. And frankly, nobody really knows what they're talking about. So all I'm really doing is just showing you some data. And speaking of data, median price is up. It jumped up from March to April, big time, 4% again. So far this year, from January to now, we have seen I believe 12% increase in median price for detached homes, and 7% since February. It's really crazy. It's going up and continues to go up. They always say what goes up must come down. The question is when, how, etc., etc. And again, not making that prediction here today, but that is what's going on this week in San Diego real estate. If you like what you're seeing, again, like, share, subscribe, comment, give us your thoughts, tell us where you're watching from, and anything else you'd like to see us talk about in the real estate realm. So with that, I will say, see you later. We'll be back next week with more real estate information. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday Night Live, which everybody loves. So stay tuned for that, and we will talk to you soon.